If you want to recover deleted photos and videos on iPhone 16e, what you need to do is first of all go to Photos app, and over here we need to scroll down until we find Utilities, and we can tap on Recently Deleted. Then you will need to either use Face ID or a passcode in order to proceed. So press View Album and then use Face ID or the passcode. And now we have the list of all photos and videos that we have deleted in the last 30 days or so. So now we can, for example, press select over here in the top right corner in order to select items that we want to recover. And once we select these items, we can tap on these three dots in the bottom right corner, and then we have a recover option. And then once you press it, you will restore these deleted items. If you want to recover just one thing, you can just press and hold your finger on that photo or video in order to also find the recover option. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.